Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve the data lemma SQL questions. Here they have mentioned that data science skills, LinkedIn SQL interview questions, and type is easy. These are the easy questions. So we will go through the questions what they are asking. So here is given a table of candidates and their skills. You are tasked with finding the candidates best suited for an open data science job. You want to find the candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. We have to write a query to list the candidates who possess all of the required skills for the job. Sort the output by candidate ID in ascending order. Also, they have mentioned that we have to assume that there is no duplicate in candidates table. So, we will go through the table. Uh, First, we need to check the column name because we will mention it in select query, and we have also to check their data types. So here we can see the candidate IG. Candidate ID is a column name and type is integer, and skill is also a column name and type is worker. So we will check their input and output also, like what they have mentioned in their input and what is the output. We can see that candidate ID 1 to 3 have skill of Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL, and candidate ID 234 have R, Power BI, and SQL Server skill, and candidate 345 have Python and Tableau skill. And we can see the candidate ID in output is 1 to 3. Now, why candidate ID 1 to 3 is the output? According to the question, they have asked like candidates who possess all the required skills. What are the required skills? Required skills are Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. If the candidate 1 to 3 is proficient in all these three skills, then this one should be output. Now we will check it. Is it right or not? Here we can say the candidate ID 1 to 3 Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL which fulfill the condition. That's why it's the output. So now we will write the query. Select candidate ID. Now from which table we are choosing this candidate ID? So we will apply the from table name. The table name is candidates. Okay. Now from this candidates table, we have selected the candidate ID, but that candidate ID what should be the skill means we will apply now where condition. So where what candidates should have that skill, so we will apply where is skill in. Now we will type the skill name. So here is skill is Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Okay. Now if we will run this query, then we will get the candidate ID who have any one of this skill. Like if the candidate have Python skill, then candidate ID will be the output. If they have Tableau or PostgreSQL, then also it will be the candidate ID will be the output. Now, but this will be wrong. Why? Because they have asked who have possessed all the required skills. It means they should have all these three skills. So that candidate should have these three skills. So we will apply the group by. We will apply grouping. Now what we will apply the group by? We will apply the group by according to their candidate ID, because of candidates should have that skill. Candidate ID. Okay. Now we will apply the having condition. Why? Because the candidate should have all these three skills. So having count of skill should be greater than equal to 3. Now why I applied this greater than sign? Because of if the candidate have Python, Tableau, PostgreSQL as well as or Power BI or SQL Server. If these six skills with that candidate is also fit for that role. So that's why I applied greater than, and the minimum condition is that Python, Tableau and PostgreSQL should be there. So that's why I mentioned equal to sign. So now if we will run this query, then output will be same as after applying the order by query. Like they have asked sort the output by candidate ID in ascending order. If we are not applying at this moment order by, the output will be in ascending order, because of in SQL or PostgreSQL we are getting the output in ascending order. So first I will run this query without applying the order by, after, and again I will run the query after applying the order by query. So here we will run this query. Now we can see the output is 123 and 147. Now I will apply the order by query, order by candidate ID ascending. Now the output will be same. Yeah, here we can see that 123 and 147, the output is same. So now we will submit this question. Now we can see the accepted, and we can get the output candidate ID is 123 and 147. Here is candidate ID 123 and 147. Now this is the solution of this question. So that's all for the day. Thank you.